This is my 2020 FabFitFun Editor's Edition box. So when you open it up, it just comes with the magazine, and in here is just some of their products. So it also came with some coupons from HelloFresh. You get 10 free meals. This coupon for a kitchen, and then another $15 off coupon to pass to a friend. So this has all the products in the editor's box, like all the products you can receive. So the first product I received was this makeup eraser, and it retails for $31. It says erase the day and makeup away with just water. So it's just a cloth. It's a really soft cloth, and it says to just add water and you can like start wiping away your makeup. This is what it looks like. The next product is this Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion, and it retails for $78. It says it's formulated with collagen amino acids. This treatment visibly minimizes the look of lines and wrinkles. So this is what it looks like. So the next product is this Grown Alchemist Detox Facial Night Cream, and it retails for $125. It says this blend of peptides, vitamins, and hyaluronic acid helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So the next product is this lip balm, and it retails for $18. It's by Winky. It's a rainbow lip balm. It says, give your lips a just been kissed flush of color with this tinted and pH hybrid balm. The next product is this gravity weighted sleep mask, and it retails for $39.99. It says this weighted sleep mask blocks light and distributes a light touch across key pressure points. So the next product is this body lotion, body souffle it says, and it's by Human Plus Kind, and it retails for $18.50. So the next product is actually another night cream. They sent me two. One was a gift that I got from a code, and the other one was just one in my box. So they gave me two of these night creams, which I'm not mad about. So the next product is this Cosmetics Pure C, and it retails for $54. And it says add a dose of this 100% ascorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. The next product is this Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask, and it retails for $39. It says it's packed with Davidson Plum. The purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. So that is all in my Summer 2020 FabFitFun Editor's box.